So I have a question for you. Were you aware that you can make some money online from recording videos but you're not actually showing your face or even recording your own voice? That also doesn't necessarily depend on the YouTube AdSense program to make some money. Well, apparently you can. Let's check this out. So I was curious about stuff that you should drink or shouldn't drink before bed, and I stumbled upon this video. Look and listen to this.
Green tea creates a ripple societies for use in lowering weight.
So this video has stock footage, nobody showing their face here, well, not the person who's actually making the video. You're hearing a voiceover, but it's not actually a human voiceover either. So I thought this was particularly interesting. Check this other one out. This is another one here about green tea benefits, but it follows the same concept where there is stock footage and a better sounding voiceover that might not necessarily be a human.
For weight loss, look no further. Pick her advice and see the magic yourself.
And this one doesn't even have any text on the screen. What is particularly interesting in this one is, according to Social Blade, this channel makes up to $433 per month. And to some people that might not seem like a lot. I think it is, especially when you see the little amount of work involved in creating a video like that. So let's check out how you can recreate something similar. Now, I'm not going to be using the same health benefits of green tea. I searched here in this tool that I use, vidIQ, which is exceptional for finding keyword opportunities that you can actually rank on, as well as getting ideas. So I searched for health benefits and found this one here, health benefits of holy basil, that has a very low competition. So I'll just be taking that, copying it, using my favorite tool, Jarvis AI. Now keep in mind, all of the tools that I mentioned here, there is a link in the description where you can get access to all of these tools, and most of them are free to start with. I'd log into Jarvis, hit new document, start from scratch. For the title, I'll paste health benefits of holy basil. Content description is 5 health benefits of holy basil. Choose the output length as long, and I'll just hit compose. And the article starts to write here automatically. Well, not the article, but what this will be is the script. So as you can see, Jarvis already did the research and listed out some of the points here. So the few tips were just mentioned at the top here, and as I clicked compose, Jarvis now started to expand on each of these points. So I'll just hit compose to keep these points going. And again, right, so it's almost complete. We'll just stop at the 5th one here, because it's the 5 health benefits of holy basil. I like to put this in a Google Doc. I'll just grab these 5 points as well as the introduction, paste that into the brand new Google Doc. To get a wrap-up paragraph conclusion, I'll just hit this button here, power mode, and look for blog post conclusion. Health benefits of holy basil. Hit generate AI content. And this first one here, I'll just hit copy. I'll just paste this at the end of the document. Let's just make a minor change and remove this. State, here are the 5 health benefits of holy basil. Oh, and I almost forgot, since we are looking at an option as to how you can get paid without AdSense, let's just go to the ending of the document, remove this last sentence which pitches the use of the holy basil product, and instead at the ending of this script, state to check the first link in the description for a highly recommended product, which includes holy basil. And what I'm talking about is when somebody gets enough value from this video. Well, I know you're getting value from this video, right? But I mean this health video that we're creating. If somebody goes through that video, gets the value so much that they decide to actually click that first link in the description, it takes them to a product that is related to this video, which can help them. And if they decide to buy, then you could get a commission from that. And I found a product like that on clickbank.com, which is of course a very popular affiliate marketing network with a lot of products. So you can easily visit clickbank.com and register for a free account. And the product that I'm talking about is this Excipio. So if they do decide to click the link at the end like I suggested, they would then be taken to a page like this, where they're sold with a story to the root cause of their problem, which in this case is healthy weight loss. And as you can see right here, it just so happens for this particular product, it just so happens that for this product, inside every Excipio capsule, you'll find holy basil. So it's not a different product that's totally unrelated. And the concept here is that when they actually review all of this and they decide to click this order now button, and if you go ahead and implement this method, then you can earn a commission when they decide to buy. The cool thing about this is that here are all the testimonials that are already on the site. You don't have to do any of the selling. And what I also like about this one is that if somebody is really sold on all of these results, They can go from buying one bottle, which is a 30-day supply, all the way up to 3 bottles, which is a 90-day supply. So instead of earning a percentage from $59, you'll be earning a percentage from $147. But what kind of percentage of these numbers are we talking about? Let's find out. We'll find that by going on the promote button, and you would be really pleased to know that it is 75% commission. 75% commission you can earn on a product like this. So go ahead and hit generate hop links. So when you create the video and you actually send somebody in the description telling them to click a link for that #1 recommended product, this is the link that they would click, and when they click that, they would then be taken to this page and all of this different results that will be motivating them to buy either 1 bottle, 6 bottles, 3 bottles. Remember, this is just an example of a product. It could be any product you can choose. The main thing is that you could get a commission from this, in addition to eventually earning from AdSense when you get past 1,000 subscribers. So I might have strayed talking about the money part of it because that is what motivates you as well here, right? The money. On that note, let's quickly jump back to creating the video. We have the script. Let's see how you can take that script now and make a video as well as have the audio created without you having to record it yourself. Head over to invideo.io where you can get started creating these videos for free. Use this text to video option. This is going to make it really simple. There are a lot of templates to choose from. The truth is you can just pick any one to get started with here because you could customize it. So I'll just choose this one. Hit use template. The headline is 5 health benefits of holy basil. Now you can just copy and paste the script from the Google Doc into here. But to speed things up and to help invideo.io process this information, we want to space out that text. The reason for this is because invideo.io is going to auto-suggest images and videos based on the text that we provide. Start by copying all of the text from this Google Doc. And there are many tools that you can use to separate each of these sentences. But what I like to do is use the tool on textfixer.com where you can add line breaks. So you can try this out. Choose to add a paragraph break after sentences. Paste your text in here. Hit paste. Choose add line breaks. And then copy all of this text here to the clipboard. Head back to invideo.io and paste everything into this window. And you can see here how it was separated. Just hit next. And after just a few seconds, this would be loaded. Now what invideo.io did here is take each line from that script that we separated and try to find a suitable scene, a suitable photo or video for each of these different lines. And the truth is not that it's not going to be perfect. There will be some of them that may not be suitable. And all you have to do for those is hit image on the left hand side here or video, search for the type of content that you want. And when you find it in the results, you can just drag and drop it onto the scene and change it. Search for something like health benefits, find something suitable, drag it and drop it here. Choose to trim video to fit scene, done, and that's it. What I like to do is hit the advanced editor, where you can hit this play button here to see a low resolution preview of what the video looks like so far. Now if you've noticed, there's no voiceover. So let's change that. You could hit voiceover and record the voiceover yourself if you would like to do that. And you can also use the automated text-to-speech option. Now while that's cool and it's included in InVideo, I don't feel like it's the best automated text-to-speech option. Check out this other tool here that you could use to create those automated voiceovers. It's called Speechello. There are many voices to choose from. Listen to this preview of Billy Joel.
Hi, I'm Billy.
Doesn't sound too bad, right? The text that we copied for the script, we're going to just paste it right into this text box right here and then hit generate voiceover. And in just a matter of a few seconds, it's done. And let's hear a sample of how that sounds.
Holy basil has been used in India since ancient times, where it is considered sacred and credited with many healing properties.
That's not bad, right? It's a little bit better than the one that is included in part of InVideo.io. My personal opinion is that this automated text-to-speech sounds a lot better than the one that is included in InVideo.io. However, this is a paid tool, but it is a one-time fee where you can have access to create these voiceovers on an ongoing basis. So if you're interested in checking out Speechello, there is a link in the description as well for you to try that. But as I mentioned, you can also use the automated text-to-speech option that is part of InVideo.io, which still sounds good, but not as good as Speechello. But since I use Speechello for this, I'll come right here and choose to download that track. Over on InVideo.io, I would upload that voiceover file. InVideo.io even tells you where your voiceover should go. You can see right here, voiceover will come here. So when it finishes, I'll just click these 3 dots here and click add as voiceover. the selected voiceover was added to the video. Now you can easily balance audio levels by clicking the edit button. There's a backing track where there's background music. You want to make sure that's low. So drag that almost all the way down. And I want to turn up this voiceover file. Actually, it's at 100%, so it can't get any louder than that. So let's hear how this sounds.
Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a species of the plant genus Ocimum in the Lamiaceae family.
Now you'll notice that the caption for the other line started already, but the audio didn't come in as yet. If you are using the text option here where the text is visible, you may have to come in and adjust those little parts manually by simply clicking the scene and dragging it to match the voiceover. But you can see it right here where the audio ends. So just look at where the audio ends and match each of the scenes to those clips throughout. Just repeat this process for each of the scenes, and that's simply by dragging and dropping. So just for the sake of this example, I'll quickly do that for a little bit right here. So let's do a quick preview of how that looks so far.
Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a species of the plant genus Ocimum in the Lamiaceae family.
I think that looks good. When you're finished with the video, you just hit download and share. Upload it to the YouTube channel. And since we used vidIQ to find a keyword that is in very low competition, then our chances for ranking for something like this for a fairly new channel or even a brand new channel wouldn't be too bad. And remember this affiliate link that we got here from ClickBank for the product? Don't forget to click that button on the right there and copy that, because in the description when you upload your video on YouTube, just like there are links here in the description, you'll want to paste your affiliate link. Because remember at the end of the script in the video that we created, we told the viewer to visit the first link in the description for the #1 recommended product. That also includes holy basil, because you also need that to get paid. Now I will also be trying this method on another channel, and I will keep you all posted as to the progress that makes. Now remember, all of the tools that I mentioned in this video, there are links to them where you can get started for free in the description of this video. As well, if you like videos like this one, where you can create YouTube videos where you don't really have to even show your face, and finding a way to monetize that, then check this video over here where I talk about exactly that, but not actually in the health niche. This one is in the travel niche, so feel free to check that out.